This is a broadcast for the entire United States of America. Please stay tuned and watch the instructions below. In the computer's been spreading a virus called "You Are an Idiot." This virus is affecting the districts of New York, Washington, D.C., Massachusetts, and California. So far only 12 cases have been reported. The FBI is still investigating who created the virus in the computer Zero. The virus is still being investigated by the United States Cyber Command. The only means of transmission that have been found for now is through a message to YouTube with a random username with suspicious links and messages of a gift card draw, or also with free game coins. It does not cover any of these malicious links with the virus we mentioned earlier. Be attentive to the transitions that we make later in case of emergency. Good afternoon.
Ya temas de todo, barato me sale.
Interrumpimos la programación para avisar sobre algo muy importante. El virus You Are an Idiot llegó oficialmente a México. El primer caso que ocurrió en México fue en Veracruz, prometiendo algunas cosas gratis, pero resultó ser una estafa. Por ahora el gobierno mexicano está investigando de dónde proviene este virus, y colaborando con el gobierno de los Estados Unidos. Este virus morirá. Su seguridad nos importa. Le recomendamos no abrir links sospechosos, prometiendo cosas gratis para juegos, ya que por ahora es la única vía de transmisión. Juntos como mexicanos, esta transmisión ha terminado.